Hello and welcome, my wonderful language learners. I'm your host, James, and I'm so excited to be with you today. We've already learned how to talk about the past, but today we're going to learn how to ask questions about the past. It's a special skill that helps us learn about each other's experiences and share our stories. Let's get started. The secret rule. So, how do we ask a question about something that's already happened? The secret is simple. We use the magic word did. We put did at the beginning of our sentence, followed by the person we are asking about, and then the verb in its simple form. This is very important. Because the word did already tells us it's about the past, our main verb doesn't need to have an ed ending. For example, you went becomes did you go? And they played becomes did they play? The question formula. Let's look at the formula for questions on page 3 of your handout. The rule is the same for everyone. We start with did. For I, we, you, or they, you say, did I play tennis? For he, she, or it, you say, did she go out last night? The formula is just did plus subject plus base verb. Remember to use a rising tone at the end of your question. It makes it sound more natural and helps people know you're asking something. Answering questions. Short answers. Now, how do we answer these questions? We can use short answers. Look at page 5 of your handout. When the answer is yes, you just say, yes, I did, or yes, he did. You don't need to repeat the whole sentence. If the answer is no, you say, no, I didn't, or no, he didn't. We use didn't as a short way of saying did not. Let's practice. Let's practice with a picture. Look at page 5. I'm going to ask you a question, and you give me a short answer. Ready? Question. Did you do your homework? What's the answer? Yes, I did. Great. Okay, another one. Did you watch TV last night? What's the answer? No, I didn't. See, you've got it. Your turn to practice. Now it's your turn to practice. You and a friend can take turns asking and answering. One person asks a question, like, did you have a good weekend? And the other person answers, yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Practice makes perfect, so have fun and ask lots of questions. Great job! Let's remember. You all did such a fantastic job today. Let's remember the 3 main things we learned. 1. To ask a question about the past, we start with the word did. 2. The formula is did plus subject plus base verb. 3. The short answers are yes, I did, or no, I didn't. You are now question masters. Keep practicing, and I'll talk to you all again very soon. Goodbye.